Salesforce.com reports its earnings after the close. Jim, when we look at their last quarter, they had pretty good growth but very high expenses. So do you think they're going to get ahead of that this time?
Tonight I got to ask about Rolf Winkler's excellent piece in the head of the tape talking about Salesforce's growth masks a profit void. Mark Benioff has never shied away from dealing with critical press. Herb Greenberg has been very critical, my colleague at CNBC, formerly at The Street. And Benioff enjoys it. He enjoys a good joust, so we'll be jousting tonight about that. Mark Benioff is a revenue-focused man, trying the quickest to $1 billion, quickest to $2 billion, wants the quickest to be $3 billion. And revenues, I think, are a legitimate way to value this company. It's clearly overvalued on earnings. And Salesforce.com has done a miraculous job getting integrated in many corporations. Can it continue? Last quarter was very good, but it's interesting. Year over year, the stock hasn't done anything. You know, it's high-flying stock that hasn't done anything. I am looking to see exactly whether the profit is as chimerical as the media says. I don't think it is, but but we'll get a line on orders, which will give us some knowledge of the future and whether it can be continued. And I can't wait. Mark's a very exciting guy. I've used different iterations of their products. I think they're very exciting. He was a protege of Steve Jobs and Larry Ellison, and it will be sensational to ask him about these things because he is always pretty candid about them.
It seems like the market's been a bit skeptical of this company.
Very much so.
It's really they're at the point of proving themselves that they're not a flash in the pan.
I mean, unfortunately, it's unfortunate because it's been, over multiple years, been terrific.
Yes.
Fortunately, Benioff is not getting any benefit of the doubt these days, and but nor did Chipotle after Chipotle reported bid. I mean, a lot of the high multiple stocks, Priceline, Netflix, they've all had to deal with very rocky situations here, and. Someone asked me today, would you buy Salesforce.com ahead? And I said, well, look, Piper came out today and said the pipeline's good. Last week, Sanford Bernstein came out and said the pipeline's bad. This is what Salesforce is, the ultimate battleground stock, and I don't like to enter battlegrounds. I like.
So it sounds like you're waiting until you hear some answers today.
All right. Yes, and look, liking Benioff as a person, and when the reason I say this because I have done some charity work with him, and enjoying the use of the product and thinking it's sensational is not the same as thinking that the stock's a buy. So let's see. This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to
enter in a new stage of tech.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things.
Apple reported earnings.